Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Whyze HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Whyze HR's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Whyze HR login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, enter your company ID, login ID and password associated with your Whyze HR's account and tap on login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgotten Your Password option. This is how you can log into your Whyze HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.